Hey guys, today I'm going to be unboxing the George Foreman Evolved Grill. Now it's a family size grill for the family, so it's not one of the smaller models. Okay, and as always guys, thumbs up if you like the video, thumbs down if you don't like the video. You guys are the boss. Alright, let's open it up and see what it looks like. First, I'll show you guys the front of the package. There it is. Back is also the same. There it is. All right. Let's open it up here. Oh, I already lost the book. All right. This looks like a. Let's see if I can keep this book in my hand. Looks like it might be a instruction book. Yeah, it is. It tells you cooking time for certain meat. Has skirt steak, 4 to 6 minutes, half a pound. So it gives you times, all the parts of the unit. Okay, so it gives you cooking times for stuff. Tells you how the parts go on, all that good stuff. Okay. Out. Come on, buddy. There we go. Right. So it's in the box here. A little scraper. Here. And then this is one of the what are they? The little inserts, because it has different kinds of inserts that go into the grill. When I take it off, you guys will see, but this is one of them right here. Here's another one. This one might be a bacon one, just based on the design here, because I haven't looked up what each one is called, but this one looks like it might be the one for bacon, and it has a quick release latch on here. Yeah, we get another scraper. Well, they just love handing these things out. That's 2 of those. Looks like we got a handle here. Don't know where that goes yet, but we have the handle. And the drip pan for all that grease. Now on to the main event. Get all these pieces of plastic off and get to that. Jeez, they put enough plastic on this thing. Oh my goodness. So another one of the inserts. You can see, you can leave some grill marks on your food. And these are quick release latches. The bottom pan, where the oil drips down. Okay. Now, the only thing about this, if you guys can see this, look how it shakes. It's like there's still some movement on it. You know, that's one thing I don't like about it. Why is there so much movement on this? You know, but here's the front. And you guys can see the LED here for the time. And this one, you guys can set your time and your temperature on this model. This model is that's one thing that I really, one of the pros of this model. You can set your time and you can set your temperature. Okay. This here, this is the bottom. This is the base here. The base of it. And it tells you here 1,440 watts. Okay. And it gives you, there's like a little guide right here. A little quick check sheet right here. Tells you degrees for the meat. So it has beef, pork, and lamb. 400 to 425. Chicken, turkey, ground strips, 350 to 375. And then it tells you the time, 4 to 8 minutes, 4 to 6 minutes, and then it goes on here. And then the sandwich panini, 300 to 450, 2 to 4 minutes. Shrimp scallops, fish fillets, 375 to 400, 3 to 7 minutes. So it's a little quick guide right here for you. You don't want to use the book. Okay? And I was saying about this, guys, I'm going to change this, because this one is for grilling. But I can change it to this one. This one's for baking. Let me put it on here. Now that's one's on there, and I can use that to bake something. Okay, so that's what these pans are. They're inserts, I was saying when I first started. And then this one can be used for muffins or eggs. You can see you put it in the here's my handle, hey guys, and the handle goes on here. You insert the handle in here. Okay, you don't have to burn your hands off when you're using it, but this is what the handle's for. Okay, but yeah, I'd use this for, you know, getting some eggs in here. The only thing I don't like, guys, if you're gonna do this handle goes in here. It's like, it doesn't hold it very good. This handle does not hold it very good. Like, it easily comes out. I don't know, like, what this design's all about. Like, it's very strange. Very, very strange how they design that. So that might be a con of this too. I don't know. But you know, it's quick. I mean, if you live in a dorm or something, or a small studio apartment or something, this is good. You know, you don't have to worry about it. You can bake in it. You can do your steaks. You know, whatever you want to do, this baby can do it, because you can control your temperature. You can control your time, all that good stuff. So that was the George Foreman Evolve Grill unboxing, guys. Thumbs up, thumbs down. Let me know if you like it. And as always, I thank you guys for watching my video, and I hope it helps you in the future. Bye-bye.